a writer that has written a well known critical biography of Herman Melville. And you've talked about him as being someone who has powerfully wrestled with America's existential themes. Can you tell us what some of these existential themes are?
Melville is a case, not just for me, but I think for a lot of readers, ever since he was rediscovered in the early 20th century. He's a case of a writer who seems to be alive for generation after generation. And why is that? It's because the issues that he grapples with are evergreen. That is, they don't go away. They always recur. They always confront us. What do I mean as some examples? I mean, the most famous book, of course, is Moby Dick, which is, after all, a story about a whale ship whose crew thinks they're setting out on a business trip, as it were, on a time-limited journey to do their jobs, kill whales, convert the whales into products for the market, come home, get some shore leave, and then maybe go back out to sea again. And what they discover instead is that they have unwittingly signed up for a voyage under the leadership of a captain who has a completely different idea. And he has a personal obsession. And he wants to turn this crew into an instrument of his own personal will. And he's very good at it. He gives great speeches. He stirs up their passions and emotions in ways that they've never experienced before. So he is what we would call a demagogue. He's out for his own motives, and he doesn't really care much about the people that are sailing with him. He just wants them to do his bidding, and he knows how to get them to do it. It's a book about a certain kind of leader. It's a book about a relationship between a leader and followers. And it's a historical problem that unfortunately is not likely to go away anytime soon. There are a lot of societies that have fallen under the sway of such a leader.